Alright, time to step things up. Day 3 and I'm daily driving Fedora. It's newer, more cutting edge, but does that make it better or just more likely to break? So there at the beginning you guys saw a time lapse of installing Fedora, and here I've just booted into the main OS. While we wait for it to load, it's a great operating system. The king of Linux, Linus Torvalds, uses it as his daily driver. So clearly it's a good operating system, right? So now as we're going through the setup, yes, we want third-party repositories. For those of you that don't know, that's just like being able to install software from people other than the Fedora team. There we go, put my personal information in, take it. It's better than Windows. I'm just going to put my password in here, and we're all done. Now we can start using Fedora. So this gives us a nice welcome screen. I'm just going to press skip here. I don't really need a tour. I'm not that new to Linux. And here we're just going to install OBS Studio. So this took a long time to load. I had to cut like 5 minutes of just loading out of the final video. So yeah, this did take a while to load. Here we can see it's installing. As far as I'm aware, you can install this like software installer on most operating systems. Over here I'm just going to install Stress, which is what we'll use to stress test the system. Put in my password. Oh right, because it's Fedora. I'm just gonna Google it. What package manager does there it is. Does Fedora use? Fedora uses DNF. Dandified yum, whatever. So sudo DNF. Let's take that out. What? How many times have I gotten this command wrong? Oh, because I have to go install. Sometimes, guys, my brain just doesn't brain. Okay, there we go, it's installing. Okay, we have Stress installed, so we also just got OBS installed, so I'm going to quickly try OBS first. Let's press the Windows key. There we go, and we can search for OBS. Yeah, I want 60. The editing software I use doesn't like it when it switches FPS, so okay. Studio mode, that's just what I use so that you can see the preview and what's actually being output, I don't know. English is weird, guys. There we go, screen capture. okay, and then we can pick the built-in display. There we go. There we go, looks like it's working. Save changes, and then we can just fade so that it gets over there as well. Start. What? I've never had issues with OBS. This is the first time. If you're using what? Or AMD encoders. I really don't know, guys. Let's just update. And hope it fixes this. $1,015 total, guys. I don't have time for that. I'm getting bored. I've been here for like 10 minutes. I've got a cool like string here. If I zoom in like that, you can see my mouse is just, it looks like a string like hanging off a cliff, I guess. That's quite cool. Or maybe it's just cool because I'm bored. You guys tell me, is this cool or not? Okay, now that we have stress installed, yeah, there we go. Just put in the wrong command. Now that we have stress installed, I've just decided while we are waiting for things to update, we might as well stress test the system and try watching some YouTube. It is taking a while. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. And I also don't know why my camera is moving around so much. Okay, there we go. We can go on a new tab and then YouTube. Video sharing company. Here we go, into that link. What's this? Why is it already playing a video? I'm gonna get in trouble for copyright for this. Oh no, it's playing now. Let me pause that quickly so I don't get in trouble. There we go. Now we can search for my channel. My keyboard's not working. There we go. Silicon Workshop. And we need to put it at the beginning. That's just my handle. Because I'm not that popular of a channel yet, so I need to search for my own handle. Let's try watch this. See if it works. I'm gonna make you guys watch the whole ad. This is torture. No, I'm joking. I wouldn't do that to you. YouTube Premium? I don't want YouTube Premium. What? An error occurred. Please try again later. Let's try this one. It better not show me an ad and then like... What? It's just completely not working. Okay, let me just stop stress. Running transaction. Bro. So you can steal my money now. Yelp. It's not like a messaging app. Surely this doesn't come with Yelp pre-installed. Failed to obtain RPM transaction lock. Transaction is in what? Nothing's working. I thought this was supposed to work out of the box. This still doesn't work. Okay, well, I'm just gonna say OBS doesn't work. Okay, last chance to get some points on the table. Let's see if YouTube works. Ah, there we go. Let's try a different one. Ads again. This might actually convince me to get YouTube Premium. There we go. It works. Maybe stress was like causing problems, I guess. Not cinema mode. Okay. So here we have the ratings. So watching YouTube, it took a long time, and then light gaming or performance testing, it performed okay under stressing. And then file transfers and NAS access gets an 8 out of 10, and app compatibility gets an 8 out of 10. Mainly because it uses a different package manager. It gets 29, but I'm going to add one more because the developer of Linux uses it, and I guess some of it might be my fault. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.